Hey guys, it's Andie from Crafted Together here, and I'm at a baseball game and I wanted to record it because later there's going to be fireworks and I love fireworks. And so, yay, home run for the other team. Like I was saying, so I have a soda and I'm not allowed over the fence, and my family's all the way over there, so I'm over here by myself in my cotton candy.
Take me out to the ball game.
So, please don't start singing that.
Everybody up! Hey, you guys in the second row there. Everybody up! Let's go! You young lady in the pink. Yes, you. Stand up. Stand up. There we go. There we go. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, over here. Get that guy up. Tell him to stand up. You on the phone. Get up. Let's go. All right, on the count of three. Take me out to the ball game.
Shh, I don't want to stand up. He's right there.
3. Take me out to the ball game.
No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Leave me alone. I'm not doing it.
Root for your Bronx team. If they don't win, it's a shame. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes you're out.
I'm not recording. Get out. I'm recording for YouTube. Shoot. There goes my footage. Well, there goes my footage. Did you see that kid? Did you see that kid photobombing over there? The heck? But yeah. So see you guys in the video.
Morrison now pitching to the Dirt Dogs.
Every time they get up, you should have a ball.
Okay guys, so I'll record when the fireworks start or about to start. So yeah, see you. Fireworks are gonna be starting. Yay! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fireworks!
Where are they? Oh, it's so pretty! Ooh. Ooh, I like that
Andy, you're not taping this whole thing.
one. Not the whole thing. Don't worry.
You have about a minute.
Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love fireworks. Oh, it's so blurry. I can't focus. Sorry guys if I can't get this to focus. It's really hard. They're really bright. Woo! Yay! Oh. I keep focusing. Sorry guys, I know this is blurry. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Andie from Crafted Together, and I love you, my beautiful stars. I'll see you guys next time.